What should you do if the proposal that you create looks like it's not accurate? It looks like you have some issues with the accuracy of a quote. Well, first of all, let's understand the only two variables that affect the outcome of a proposal being accurate. The first variable is the pricing, and you definitely want to check that first. So scroll down to the proposed fees and look at all of the proposed fees and make sure that these are the proposed fees that you are expecting to have for the merchant. Many times we'll have a user that will run a spreadsheet from another processing company and they'll get pricing there and they won't match the pricing up here. So you can very simply go here and click edit, and you can go through here and edit these fees. So maybe it's off because you have 25 basis points of markup here, but you thought you were pricing the merchant at 40 basis points. Well, you would just click edit here, change this to 40 basis points of markup, save it, click back, and now the proposed fees should match up based on the information provided to us. The second variable is interchange. Now you'll notice here that there is a little word estimated next to the interchange. So this estimated means that our system, our algorithm, went into our database of thousands of merchant statements and it looked at that and built an interchange table from scratch based on that information. So if you click on the details here, it'll take you down to the interchange table and you can actually see the interchange line items that we used in order to come up with the total interchange. Now, the reason this is so important is, number one, you need to understand that if you don't know what their interchange is, go ahead and let our system make a guess because our system is going to be very accurate on average. However, you also need to understand that this is a statistical guess. So it can be off because either the business type you selected doesn't exactly fit the merchant type or some other variable that we were not able to account for in our algorithm. In that case, if you look at the statement, and let's say on this merchant, the savings here were maybe a little bit more than they should be. And when we look at the statement, we see that their interchange is actually $127 of interchange cost, but we can see the algorithm estimated $94.06. What we do is over here on the merchant activity, we click details, which will take us right here. We click on edit. And now we can go down here and where it says estimated is $94.06, we can just type 127 and click update. And now you can see that our savings has gone down. Our interchange is now 127. You'll also notice that the word estimated is now gone. And if you scroll down or click details here on the interchange, you will notice that our algorithm has actually gone back into the interchange table and adjusted it so that the interchange table still matches. And if you added it up the interchange table, you'd get $127. Now, if you were to try and adjust the interchange table to something that simply does not make sense, you would get an error message from our system that basically says, there's just no way for us to even, find an interchange of $450 for this merchant type. And it just doesn't make any sense. So our system will guard against you making a blatant error. But if you make a small tweak or adjustment to the interchange, our system will go back in and build an interchange table to match that so that that will stay consistent for you.